Fear is the main source of superstition, and one of the main sources of cruelty. To conquer fear is the beginning of wisdom. Brief and powerless is man's life, on him and all his race the slow, sure doom falls pitiless and dark. Machines are worshipped because they are beautiful and valued because they confer power. They are hated because they are hideous and loathed because they impose slavery. Extreme hopes are born of extreme misery. Boredom is a vital problem for the moralist, since at least half the sins of mankind are caused by the fear of it. Civilized people cannot fully satisfy their sexual instinct without love. Mathematics possesses not only truth, but supreme beauty, a beauty cold and austere, like that of sculpture. The most savage controversies are about those matters as to which there is no good evidence either way. To realize the unimportance of time is the gate to wisdom. No nation was ever so virtuous as each believes itself, and none was ever so wicked as each believes the other. If I were a medical man, I should prescribe a holiday to any patient who considered his work important. Patriotism is the willingness to kill and be killed for trivial reasons. One of the symptoms of an approaching nervous breakdown is the belief that one's work is terribly important. Whoever wishes to become a philosopher must learn not to be frightened by absurdities. Only in thought is man a god, in action and desire we are the slaves of circumstance. Manners are necessary because, as a rule, there is a pretense when our good opinion of others is genuine. Manners look after themselves. Do not fear to be eccentric in opinion, for every opinion now accepted was once eccentric. Not to be absolutely certain is, I think, one of the essential things in rationality. Men are born ignorant, not stupid. They are made stupid by education.